We know how important it is to stay powered up while you're out in the wild, and that's why we're excited to introduce you to our latest power range, meet the Rover Lite. This compact powerhouse can fully charge your phone up to 5 times. Whether you're snapping photos, staying in touch with friends, or just want to make sure your devices are good to go, the Rover Lite has your back. With multiple charging options, including USB-A and USB-C ports, plus a 10-watt wireless charging pad, you can easily keep all your gadgets topped up. And if you're into photography, you'll be happy to know it's perfect for charging your mobile devices and digital cameras too. One of the best things about the Rover Lite is just how slim and lightweight it is. It won't weigh you down, and it easily slips into your bag, making it the ideal travel companion. It's also airline approved for carry-on if your adventure is taking you further afield. And because we know the outdoors can be unpredictable, the Rover Lite is dust and splash proof, so it can handle a bit of rough and tumble just like you can. So whether you're off on a weekend getaway or an extended camping trip, make sure you've got the Rover Lite by your side to keep your adventures powered up. Stay charged, stay connected, and most importantly, stay out there. Get your Rover Lite today and power your next adventure.